Today in this tutorial we will learn what is dollar function and how and when we can use this. So stay tuned. Hello, I'm your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let us start. The dollar function is one of the text function that converts a number to text using currency format with the decimals rounded to the number of places you specify. The currency symbol that is applied depends on your local language settings. Let us understand this with a small example. I have a number with 4 decimals in cell C4 and I am applying dollar function to this number with 2, 0 and minus 2 decibels in cell B5, C5 and D5 respectively. In all 3 cases, the number is converted in currency format with the decimals applied to it. But you just need to keep in mind that these currency formatted numbers are actually text and you cannot use this in any calculation. As you can see in cell E6 that my sum function is resulting in 0. That is because dollar function results in text output. So in case you want to do any calculation on these, then you should use the format cells dialog box by pressing Ctrl and 1 simultaneously or by navigating to Home, Number, Accounting Number Format option to apply a currency formatting to a particular cell. But if it is just for representation, then dollar functions comes handy. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Doesn't matter whether you like, share, subscribe or not, but what matters is that you keep learning.